I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Let's begin. For this episode, you can do it while standing or seated. Okay, let's start. Inhale, bring your shoulders close to the ear, bring it up and up, 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 up. And exhale, down. Inhale, bring your shoulder to the ears. And inhale, squeeze your shoulders up toward the ears. Exhale, down. Drop. Inhale. And exhale. Let's do one more time. Inhale, bring your shoulder close, near to the ears. And exhale, down. Okay, now inhale, bring your shoulder in front and about your, bring your arm same level as your shoulder. And palms down. And exhale, down. Inhale, bring your arm facing down to the shoulder level. And down. Inhale. And exhale. So there is a very, very easy and light strengthen of your shoulder. Down. Let's do one more time. Inhale, hold. Lengthen your arm. And down. This is a very easy but nice way of strengthening your shoulder. So now palms facing up. Inhale, bring your arm same level as your shoulders. And exhale, down. Inhale, up, hold, and down. Inhale, hold your arm as you're creating the letter of T. Down. Inhale. This is a very nice, easy, good way of strengthening your shoulders and arms. One more inhale. Palms facing up. Arms same height as your shoulders. Hold. And exhale, bring your arms down. Okay, so now, fingertips on your shoulders. Elbow in the front. And open. Inhale to bring shoulders in the front. Exhale, open. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, elbow touch. Exhale, draw your shoulder blades together. Inhale, open up your upper back. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, there's no fold. Very nice and easy way to activate your shoulder muscle. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, elbow together. Exhale, draw your shoulder blades near closer. One more. And relax. Okay, now one arm up and elbow bent and hands relax behind your head and use other hand to support and stretch your shoulders and arm. And about 5 deep breaths, relax. This is the other side. Breathe in, out through the nose. Inhale and exhale to relax. Now, hug your elbows in. Use opposite hand to support. And drishti straight. And pranayama through the nose. About 5 deep breaths. Inhale, exhale, relax. Let's do the opposite side. Hug your elbows in. Use your opposite arm to support. Inhale, exhale through the nose. Take 5 deep breaths. Feel the stretch on your shoulders. Nice and easy. Let your spine grow taller. And relax. And for more like this, check out this next video. See you soon!